students, welcome to another episode of EVS. So today we are going to learn the balanced portion of our lesson. So a seed tells a farmer story. A seed tells a farmer story. What all things we learned in the previous class? Yes, we learned about a story of a seed. A story of a seed. Okay. Then next we will start when times change. When times change. When times change. When times changed. Okay. Over the years, many changes took place in the village. Over the years, many changes took place in the village. Okay, which village we know? Which village? Yes, we know that the Damji Bhai's village. In Damji Bhai's village. Okay, over the years, many changes took place in the village. Some places could get water from the canal. Some places could get water from the canal. Some places could get water from the canal. They said the canal brought water from far away. They said the canal brought water from far away. Where a dam had been built on a big river. Where a dam had been built on a big river. Then electricity came. Which other changes happened in the small village of Damji Bhai's small village? Yes, we know some places could get water from the canal. They said canal brought water from far away, where a dam had been built on a big river. Due to that, they get water from the canal. Then water from the canal. They said then electricity also came there. Switch on. What is the use of electricity? Yes, they can switch on the button and there was light. People found that only one or two crops like wheat and cotton got better prices in the market. So most farmers began to grow only these. Most farmers began to only which crops? Yes, cotton and wheat. So old friends, bajra and jowar and also vegetables were forgotten and dismissed. What happens to bajra and jowar? They forgotten and they dismissed all vegetables and bajra and jowar. They they changed it to cultivate the crops like wheat and cotton. Why? It will, from that they get better prices in the market. Farmers even began to buy seeds from the market. Farmers, what they do? Yes, they buy seeds from the market. People said there were new kinds of seeds. There were new kinds of seeds. What? Yes, we know in our market we get hybrid varieties of seeds which gets early within a short period of time. That seeds will produce lots of roots or fruits. So hybrid varieties of seeds are available in our market. So people buy new kinds of seeds from the market. So farmers did not need to store seeds from the old crop. Yes, we know that how is in the olden days the farmers keep their seeds, good seeds for the next cultivation. Yes, they kept in an airtight container. They pick out the good crops from the field and kept in an airtight container. So they forgotten about that. They buy seeds from new kinds of seeds from the market. So farmers did not need to store seeds from the old crop. Now people in the village cooked and ate together. Now people in the village cooked and ate together only on very special days. As they ate, they would remember how tasty the food used to be in the past. Fresh from the field. When the seeds have changed, how could food ever taste the same? Yes. So the seed is changed. So for the cultivation of the seeds, new kinds of seeds we buy from the market, it needs lots of fertilizers and chemicals for their better growth. So and for doing like that, what happened to the but what is the benefit of that seeds providing us? Yes, it is a tasteless food items like vegetables, grains, cereals, pulses, etc. Damji Bhai was getting old. His son Hasmukh looked after the field and family. What happened to Damji Bhai? Yes, he was getting old. Then what happened? Yes, his son Hasmukh looked after the field and the family. Hasmukh was making a lot of money. What happened? Yes, he was making a lot of money from where? From farming. Then he rebuilt the old house. Then he brought a new machines for farming. Then he used an electric motor to pump water. He used an electric motor to pump water. He bought a motorcycle to go to the city easily and also a tractor to plough the field. The tractor could do in a day what the bullocks would take many days to do. Yes, what are the changes happen in Damji Bhai's farming field? Yes, the Damji Bhai's farming is taken by his son Hasmukh. He look after the field and his family. So through farming, he make a lot of money. Then he rebuilt the old houses. Then he brought new machines for farming. Then he used electric motor to pump water. Then he bought motorcycle to go to the city easily. Then he also buy a tractor to plough the field. Then the tractor could do in a day what the bullocks would take many days to. Then Hasmukh would say, now we are farming wisely. Now we are farming wisely. We grow only what we can sell in the market at a good price. We grow only what we can sell in the market at a good price. With the profits from our field, we can improve our life. We can make progress. Hasmukh would say, now we are farming wisely. We grow only what we can sell in the market at a good price. We grow only what we can sell in the market at a good price. With the profits from our field, we can improve our life. We can make what progress. What Hasmukh would say? Yes, we are farming wisely. We grow only what we can sell in the market at a good price. Yes, the farmers, Hasmukh's thinking is changed, but due to the revolution of technology in the farming field, so he only think about profits. How can make profit from through farming, or how will get good price at the market for the crops. So through that they can make progress in their life. Lying forgotten in the wooden box, I and the other seeds had our doubts. Is all this really progress? There is no longer any need for seeds like us and animals like the bullocks. After the tractor has come, even people who worked on the field are no longer needed. How will they earn money? What will they live on? Yes, what happened for the animals and the seeds like the bajra and the jowar? Yes, they were kept aside for longer days, and the animals like The bullocks are avoided from the farming field by because the evolution of tractor, the tractor has come, so it will work on the field. Then so there is no longer people no longer needed, and the bullocks are no longer needed. So that will do by the technology. Okay. The Bajra seeds saw differences in the way Damji Bhai and Hasmukh did farming. What were these differences? We know that the Bajra seeds saw differences in the way Damji Bhai and what were these differences? There are differences in the way of farming in Damji Bhai and Hasmukh. Damji Bhai follow the traditional method. Damji Bhai follow the traditional method. Hasmukh follow the modern and new method in the field of farming. So these are the differences, and also we can say so many differences. So the Damji Bhai keep aside some good crops from the field for the next generation of cultivation. Then then he used bullocks for plough the land. Then he never used fertilizers or any seeds buy from the market. Then Hasmukh used the modern or new method. Modern or new method for farming. He used modern or new method for farming. He used new method or modern or new method for farming. Okay, children. So once again, when times change, what all the changes happen? What all the changes happen in the life of Damji Bhai? Yes, he was getting old. What happened? Yes, he cannot do nothing in the field of farming. He was getting old. So in that situations, his son takes look after the field and the farming. So who is his son? Yes, Hasmukh. Hasmukh was his son. So the Hasmukh starts. What happened? Yes, Hasmukh starts. Yes, the Hasmukh starts look after the field and the family. Make it from that farming. He makes a lots of money from farming. Then he rebuilt the houses. Then he was rebuilt the house. Then they made a lot of money. Then bought new machines for farming. He used electric motor to pump water, motorcycle to go the city very easily. Then he buy a tractor to plough the field. Then the tractor could do in a day what the bullocks would take many days to do. Then the Hasmukh and Damji Bhai forgotten about the seeds. Then he kept in the wooden boxes. Okay, then some questions given. The Bajra seed. What is the differences between Damji Bhai and Hasmukh farming? Yes, Damji Bhai you follow the traditional method of farming, but Hasmukh follow the modern or new method of farming. Next one, Hasmukh said, with the profits from our field, we can progress. What is your understanding of progress? With the profits from our field, they get profit means the profit means through our understanding, profit means a better lifestyle. People get better standard of living like education, medical and nutritious food. Means a better lifestyle. The progress means a better lifestyle. People get a better standard of living. Like education, medical and nutritious food. Next, what kind of progress would you like to see in your area? What kind of progress would you like to see in our area? Yes, well-equipped hospital. First one. Then next is better roads. Then good transport system. Good transport system and a good education system in school. These are the progress we would like to see in our area. First one, well-equipped hospitals, better roads, good transport system, good education system in schools. Once again, well-equipped hospitals, better roads, good transport system, good education system in schools. Good education system in schools. Then these are the different kinds of progress we would like to see in our area. Then what is the what we can understand from the word progress from the life of Damji Faiz and the Hasmukh life? Yes, it means a better lifestyle. People get better standard of living like education, medical and nutritious food. Okay, next one, more and more expenses. More and more expenses. Okay. Dear children, we can see the changes happen in Hasmukh's farming. Here we can see a boy is playing and also there is a water tank. That water tank we can see there is a pump. So water pump is used to pick up water from the canal so somewhere else for farming. Then here we can see a tractor. The tractor is used to plough. The tractor is ploughing the land. The tractor is used to ploughing the land. Here we can see there is an electrical line is there for getting electricity. So lots of changes happening in the small village of Damji Bhai's small village. Okay, so then from this we can understand about a seed, about the feelings of a seed, or what is the importance of a good seeds, importance of good seeds that will make our and the next generation life safer. But the human beings always think about profit, how to get more profit, that is the way of thinking of every human beings. Every human beings economically think about economically. They business minded are all human beings are business minded. They think all the way of sectors, how we can make more profit or good price through in all sectors, like in the educational field, in the farming field, anywhere, in the IT field, anywhere. Human beings always think about how to make profit, how to earn lots of money. They never think about the next generation, our future, our health. Never think about that. So from this we can understand that thing. Okay, next, more and more expenses. More and more expenses. The next 20 years, so even more changes. Next 20 years, so even more changes. We know the Hasmukh avoided the bullocks from the farming field. Why? He introduced the technology, that is he used tractor instead of bullocks. So the tractor do lots of work like 10 people do in a field. Okay, so it make and the next 20 years, so even more changes. Without the cows and buffaloes, cow dung is no, there was no cow dung. We know in the olden days the farmers used cow dung as manure for the better growth of the crops in the field. So if the farmers avoiding the bullocks and the cows, what happens? There is no cow dung for the cow dung for the better growth of the plants in the field. Yes, what happened in that situation, Hasmukh? Yes, he used the fertilizer in the field. He is used the fertilizer in the field instead of the cow dung. Hasmukh had to buy expensive fertilizer. What happened? Yes, first of all he buy the seeds from the market, giving payment. Through giving payments, he buy seeds from the market for cultivation. Next, what happens? There is no manure for the better growth of the field. What they do? There is no cow dung. So cow dung is a good manure for the better growth of the seeds, cereals, pulses, grains, etc. So what happened? There is no cow dung. There was no because there was no cow and buffaloes. So in that situation, he maintained with the buying fertilizers from the market. It is very costly. So the new kinds of seeds were such that the crops were easily affected by harmful insects. Yes, from this we can understand that the Damji Bhai, what he do? Yes, he keeps some neem leaves in the seeds to avoid avoid the affection of harmful insects to the seeds. Here, the seeds buy from the markets are easily affected by harmful insects. So, for avoiding the attack of insects to the seeds, what happens? The Hasmukh starts to buy medicines from the market and it is sprayed on the seeds or the crops to keep away the insects. But what happened is the fertilizers or the medicines have a bad smell and also it was very expensive. Then what happened? The canal water was not enough for the new crops. Then what happened? Yes, the canal water was not enough for the new crops. Why? Because we know that the overusage of fertilizers, medicines to the crops, what happens? The water was not enough for the new crops. Why? And that situation, all the farmers used pumps to lift water from the deep under the ground. That means underground water is used for irrigation. To meet all these expenses, the Hasmukh cannot survive these or maintain these expenses. What happened at last? He take a loan from the bank. Whatever little profit was made was used to repay the loan. Then what happened? Yes, he cannot get lots of profit from farming, so he get a little profit. So it is used to repay the loan. But there was a little profit. Everyone was growing cotton. So the cotton prices were not as high as before. What happened? There was a little profit for which crop? Yes, cotton. But what is the reason? Yes, every farmers will cultivate cotton crop, but it has not as high as before. Its price. The soil itself was no longer the same. Why the soil itself was no longer the same? Why the over usage of fertilizers and chemicals in soil did not help the farmers and help the farming to get lot profit. Then growing the same crop over and over and using so many chemicals had affected the soil so much that now thing could have grow well. No, nothing could have grow well there. It was becoming difficult to earn a living by farming alone. Hasmukh too changed with the times. He is often tense and angry most of the time. His educated son Paresh did not want to do farming. What happened, Hasmukh? His next generation, his educated son Paresh did not want to do farming. Why? Because he is always, he is from his lower age to become a young man. He always sees that his father fight against to repay the loan. then he could not make a better profit or a higher profit from the farming. So he never do farming to want do farming. He now started work as a truck driver. Then what was which job he selected? Yes, as a truck driver. After all, the bank loan still had to be repaid. Often Paresh doesn't come home for days. At times he is away for a week. At times he is away for a week. 2 days back, when he came home, Paresh started looking for something. He asked his mother, "Where is Dadaji's wooden seed box? It will be useful to keep the screws and tools for the truck." Now do you understand why I told you my story? Yes, we know that what happened to the wooden box? Yes, the Hasmukh's son take that wooden box to put some screws and tools for the truck. At that time also they will never think about the good crops kept by his father in that wooden boxes. Okay children, once again, what was the life story of the seeds? The story told by the seeds about his farmer. Yes, what happened to the farmer? 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 Yes, the farmer can never make a lots of profit from his farming. Why? Because he used lots of chemicals. He misuse the farming. So due to that, the farmer does not get anything from the farming. So his next generations never likes to follow farming to their life also. Why? Because through that farming they cannot get a better life. That is the reason here we can see that Paresh, the educated son of Hasmukh, starts take another job for his betterment of his life. Why he cannot take as a farmer? We know his father cannot get a lot of profit from this farm. So children, so let's wind up the class. I think all of you read your textbook more and more times. It was an interesting story about a farmer. That story tells us by a seed like jowar and bajra. So through this we can understand lots of things happening around us today or nowadays. Okay children, you think about that and you can answer all the questions related with in your own words. Okay, you can express your ideas in your exam also. Okay children, so let's wind up the class. See you in the next class. Thank you.